Hey guys, it's Ben from Launch Medical, home of the Phoenix. Now I know you're wondering, because guys ask me all the time, how long will it take for me to see results after using the Phoenix? Well, the simple answer is, there isn't a simple answer. Sexual health is only one piece of your broader health profile. A healthy lifestyle maximizes the benefits of acoustic wave therapy, but there are a few factors that can get in the way, especially things like diabetes if it's poorly managed, beta blockers, which are often prescribed to deal with high blood pressure, or past surgeries which may have damaged nerves. This is one reason we strongly encourage you to work with your doctor to manage all of the health conditions that could be holding you back. Your urologist can also help you understand how quickly you may respond and what the end result could be. The number of treatments required to achieve your goals may vary, but we know that more than 90% of the men who stick with the protocol report noticeable improvements. For some guys, they see a change during the first 30 days, but the period of rest that follows your first set of treatments is the most crucial step. After about 30 days of rest, you can perform another round of treatments. This cycle of treatments and rest is critical to reaching your goals, and it can be repeated as often as you feel is necessary. So, there you have it. We constantly hear from guys who feel like they're doing better after only a few treatments, but most guys will need to stick with it for 90 days or more to achieve their goals. Remember, the guys who win with acoustic wave therapy stick to the treatment protocol. If you have any other questions, our team can be reached on our website 24/7.